HarperCollins has been in the publishing business for close to 200 years. We have a huge catalog of books, and we're now facing the digital challenge of the future.
There are so many ways that you can find books nowadays, read books nowadays, buy books nowadays. It's really difficult. So understanding that world and understanding how we cut through all that complexity for our authors is really essential.
Many people ask us whether there are formulas for bestsellers. There's no formula, but there's an ability to use information to improve your product or improve the marketing.
Even a complex world is possible to understand if you gather the right data and if you look at it in the right way. So we needed a solution that's scaled across lots of different people, across lots of different business units, and across lots of different countries. There are lots of different cloud-based solutions. We looked at Google and Amazon and others, but when you build with Microsoft, it integrates so well with the tools that people use day to day. When you think about the end user, you really have to choose Microsoft. With Windows Azure, we're able to get the business intelligence solution up and running in 2 weeks. I mean, literally, which would have been 6 to 12 months with traditional implementation.
Consumer insight is extremely important to HarperCollins, and the way I use it is to give my authors and agents more intelligence on their consumers.
Ask people questions. We can build this rich data set which covers exactly the kind of issues and questions that we want.
The Insight tool has been extremely valuable in creating a marketing campaign for books in that you don't have to speculate any longer. And then you go into this tool and it confirms that for you, that you have an opportunity there and that you can easily reach these consumers.
The Microsoft Cloud OS vision has allowed us to put insight in the hands of a huge number of different people across the organisation all around the world. It's allowed us to do that very, very quickly.
Book publishing, like any creative business, has always been about risk-taking. Because nowadays we can use insight and knowledge to reduce the amount of risk that we take on individual authors or books. The new methodologies and the ability for us to access bigger amounts of data more cheaply, we're actually bringing insight at a different level into the business.
For me, the magic is when you sit with somebody from the business, you see their eyes light up when they look at the data. Just can't wait to go and share this with their authors or with the agents. You know, that's really exciting.